going on, y'all? It's Real to Dev. Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to pop in here and highlight another use case of things that you can do with these VR headsets and such. So, what I'm doing right now is just getting ready to unload some of the laundry I have from this load of laundry. And as you can see, I got this YouTube video floating around as I'm getting these socks together. Yeah, so I'm seamlessly able to interact with the YouTube video playing in the background, and I'm able to clearly see exactly which socks I'm actually looking at and pairing them together. So it's quite good quality for the camera. And these things are only going to get better. I know they kind of highlighted a use case very similar to this with the Apple Vision Pro. People may look at use cases like these and be like, oh yeah, that's pretty gimmicky, I wouldn't do that. But let's be real. If you could make folding laundry or overfolding laundry more entertaining, wouldn't you opt in for that as well? Just saying, not a bad way to spice it up. But yeah, this is pretty cool, honestly. I'm not having a hard time with this at all. But creating content while consuming content takes a whole new meaning with the opportunities these headsets allow us to, be creative with. But yeah, leave a like on the way out of the video. Just want to come and show you guys this real quick. Thanks for coming to rock with me. But I'll holler at you guys in another one.